So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can delete your app in MacBook. So guys, if you're a new user and you don't know how to do that, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it without delay. So first of all, just go ahead and look at your dock and find Finder right here. And once you open it, just go ahead and tap on Applications. You can see many other options along with applications like AirDrop, Recents, Desktop, Downloads, and Documents. Just go ahead and tap on Applications and now select the app that you want to delete. So once you select it, just double click it and now you'll see these options like Open, Show Package Contents, Move to Trash, Get Info, Rename, Compress, and many more. So our answer is right here. Just go ahead and tap on Move to Trash, and that's how you delete apps in MacBook. We hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.